But it's, when you guys so many and you see the background, you're like, no idea.
Here's the portal. April 25th. We're in City Hall. Do they know that we're in Philadelphia? Because it looks like we're in a castle. And there we are back in Poland. This portal is amazing. We go from night to day, from cold to the beach. This is Poland, and after that we go to another sign saying, very unimaginative, just saying support immigrants. So there's no one there in the middle of the night. They're just not all that interested in this. And here we are in Brazil. This is the most amazing of all. This little boat in the sea, a sand. Kids playing. That is the most amazing one. There's a boat there, fishing boat there.
It's gonna switch cameras up.
So they're seeing us and we're seeing them. I guess it's not that interesting for anyone in Brazil on the beach. And this, I believe, is Lithuania. There we have people waving at us, which is nice.
Green, orange, and yellow. No, that's yellow, blue, and red. No, that's not. That's not blue. That's yellow, green, and orange. Where are you colorblind? No, it looks like that because of the lighting in the back, though.
I think this is Lithuania.
Yeah. How do I access it? Did I put it up on my phone?
Yeah.
Got people here who are waving, which is really nice. It's really nice when people are interacting because it's so positive in these highly negative times. And there we are in the Philippines.
I know. Oh, that's what country? What country? What flag is that? Every time
That's Philippines.
Oh, right? Something like that. I don't know why they're doing this type of weather. Oh, look, it's a Devil Wears Prada.
Oh, the Devil Wears Prada. There's a movie theater right there. This is a movie that is just opening. And it just seems like the oddest movie to be looking at from Philadelphia.
Whatever country it is, they don't change.
I would never.
So the portal's right next to to traffic lights. And there we are, back to Ireland again. There's someone dancing. That's great. They keep the people in Dublin keep changing.